Hello, do you want to see my outfit? I actually got dressed today. Okay, hello. Today I'm going to be designing a poster. Hello, I'm Ashley. I'm a designer. I make content about web design, graphic design, and entrepreneurship. So if you like that kind of content, please subscribe and please like this. It helps me grow my channel. I'm a small creator and I'm really trying to grow my account. Today, I'm going to be designing a poster and I'm going to break my process into 5 steps and I'll walk you through them. Step 1, I'm going to be making a mood board, which I actually already made, and I'm going to insert it now. I already have an idea for this poster. I've been planning and scheming it for about a week now, and I'm really excited to actually start designing. I'm looking at my mood board right now. I know I want it to be pink. I want it to feel wispy and feminine, and I want it to feel very flowy, and I want you to look at it and feel free. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna probably try to do that through white space. The second step is I'm gonna make a sketch. I'll show you the sketch right now. My sketch is like literally nothing, but I wanted to get my idea down. I just kind of made some flowy text and I was kind of playing around with the layout. This is a sketch that I have so far. My third step is I'm gonna design it in Illustrator and I'll take you through that. And my fourth step is I'm going to get this poster printed because, as you can tell, I have a lot of blank walls in my house still. Also, I recently rearranged this room that I'm in, so if it looks different, I got a guest bed. And the final step is I bought some lovely frames that I'm looking at over there right now. I'm going to hang them up on my wall. I'm probably gonna hang them up right above my desk right here because I have nothing here. I want to look at my own work when I'm working. Nothing can make you feel more inspired than looking at your own stuff that you've done. Also, at some point in the future, I'm probably going to list this poster on Etsy and sell it as a print. I think I'm going to invest and make it a physical product that you can buy. I'll probably post about that on my Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram. It's the same handle as my YouTube, Ashfall Design Studio, and my Instagram is also in the description. Anyways, I think I'm gonna start designing right now, but before I design, I want to make myself a drink, so welcome to my kitchen. Trigger warning, I'm drinking whole milk. Okay, now I'm actually gonna start designing. Make yourself a drink and maybe design with me. I'm kind of scared because I haven't designed anything in a while. I had to make some logos this week and it was kind of a scary experience and it was very hard. I'm gonna start screen recording right now. I'm an illustrator. I'm gonna go to print file, make sure it's in CMYK right here. The frames that I have are 16 by 24 inches. 24. I think I'm just gonna go for it, so I'll check back in with you when I made some progress because I want to listen to music or something. Okay, bye. when I said I was gonna check back in. It's actually several days later, but I'll walk you through it a little bit. Some things that I did off camera, I made the background a little bit lighter. I didn't like the way that it looked. I felt like it looked kind of dark. I made a yellow version of it, and then I also made a gray version, and that one I made on accident, and it looked so good. But yeah, I made 3 different colors. I added in some horses. I found the exact picture that was on my mood board in the public domain of these horses, and I knew that I wanted to have horses in there. I feel like it fit the idea of feeling free. I also realized that I didn't really mention why I chose this phrase. I used to sell clothes on Depop when I needed to make some extra rent money. I was struggling a little bit. Whenever I would send stuff out, I would write a little note on it and just say, "May all your dreams come true." And I just always loved the way that that sounded. I thought it was very inspiring, and I think wishing other people well is kind of like good karma, and kind of like a selfless act like that. It makes you feel really good. It makes me feel really good, at least. Okay, also, spoiler alert, I actually already got this poster printed, but ultimately I'm making this video for people who want to get their own work printed, and I made a lot of mistakes during the printing process, so I'll walk you through those because I want to help you avoid those kind of mistakes. The first thing that I did during this whole process was I bought these frames off Amazon. I bought them without thinking too much that I could just print at any size that I wanted, and that was not the case because I got them printed at Staples, and I just did that online. You can look up your nearest Staples. It was $17 to get it printed on matte paper. I think the glossy paper is less expensive, but I just really wanted a paper feeling. I'm looking at it right now. But yeah, I just did it online, and I ordered it and put in my email, and they messaged me when it was ready for pickup. I went to go pick it up. But anyway, Staples has specific dimensions that they offer, and then if you are wanting something more specific, like some more specific dimensions like I ended up needing, it is going to be more expensive. To help you avoid that problem, look at their dimensions that they have before you start designing, before you buy a frame. I didn't want to wait, and I didn't want to pay extra for those specific dimensions. So what I did was, one of the presets was 18 by 24 and my poster was 16 by 24. So I just got it printed at 18 by 24. I just shrunk it down to 16 by 24. And because of that, I had to cut the edges a little bit, and thankfully this frame that I have, you can't see the edges because they were kind of rough. I'll insert the footage of me hanging it and having to cut it down. Okay, I had to cut the sides of it. I did not do a good job with the measurements, but I want to put it in here. Nice. Air bubbles, you know, underneath. Like, it doesn't look like super pressed in there. But anyways, that's all I really have. This process was so fun and exciting, and I learned so much through the process. I'm so happy with how it came out. The texture looks super good. It looks really great in the frame, and my workspace just feels so much better. I love to look at it. I've been looking at it ever since I hung it up yesterday. But yeah, thank you so much. It literally means so much to me that you are watching this. Please subscribe, and please like this video if you liked it and if you like my content. See you soon. Bye.